Dun, dun. I'm so tired. We have this massive package, lots of hoodies in, which all of my friends ordered. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Dun, 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 dun. Wow! Oh my gosh, the smell. They are so lovely. Oh my god, this is so exciting. I'm gonna try them on right now. That package was all of my merch that my friends ordered, and we decided to like all get it together and then me just like hand it out between them because the postage was quite expensive to the UK. Yeah, I'm super excited about that, although there's one missing, which is kind of stressful, but hopefully they'll send that. Oh my gosh, it was in a massive box. I'm so excited. This is the one that I got. I already have the yellow hoodie, but I decided I wanted to get the grey sweatshirt, and this is in a size large and it's literally huge. But I love things that are oversized, so I don't really mind. Hey everyone, so I haven't really started this video off, but I think it's just going to be a cheeky little vlog. Finished my exams now, it's summer, and I'm feeling really happy, so yay! Also, I just filmed my plant haul. As you can see, Jesus Christ, there's so many of them. It's kind of a different video that I've never really done on my channel, obviously. I'm super hungry now, so I think I'm gonna go get some vegan food. But now it's gonna be a bit of a challenge, putting all my plants back to the place they're meant to be. Lunch. I'm thinking of having something pretty basic, so I think I'm just gonna have like a noodles with some soy sauce, maybe some like beans or something. These are pumpkin ginger and rice noodles. Much fun. What the heck? They're literally melting. R.I.P. my life. So I've got my lunch sorted and I'm reading this book called The Clan of the Cave Bear. It's one that my mum and dad read when they were like younger. It's so good. So I've only read like 2 chapters and it's really nice like once you've finished exams just to like get back into reading, because I used to literally read so much when I was like younger. I kind of got out the habit of life just getting in the way and just like being on my phone more than reading, to be honest. Update, I went to pick my sister up and we passed this like garden centre and oh my god, I am buzzing about this one. Basically, found like a string of hearts plant on the side where they were selling like a minimal amount of house plants, and oh my god, it's so beautiful. Came in this really cool like trunk plump heart. Words cannot describe how excited I am about this. We're about to go out for a meal, so I'm just getting ready. This is what I am wearing. It is this plain white t-shirt from Nasty Gal, and this dress is from Nasty Gal. To be absolutely honest, I wasn't impressed with Nasty Gal. I recently ordered from them, and the dress that I bought had like frayed edges, and this dress, one of these straps is actually twisted, like sewn on that way, and then this is like see-through, so you can't just wear it on its own. So I wasn't wholly impressed by the quality of their clothes. However, making the best out of a bad situation, and I'm going to wear them anyway. A few days later, and I feel like I need to update you all. Currently, I spent the last day redecorating this wall. So it used to have wallpaper on it. It took me literally 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours to take the wallpaper off yesterday. It was all I was doing like for most of the day. Yeah, and then I managed to do 1 coat of white paint to cover the purple that was on it for all the wallpaper. And then I'm going to spend it today repainting it cream to match all of my other pretty walls. And then I really want to make like a palette shelf, but I'm just going to take it one thing at a time and see if I've got time to do that. Currently, I'll show you the progress. So that is 1 layer of white paint and 1 layer of cream. I think it actually is looking really good. Obviously I am going to do another coat, but I don't think I'll have to do 3, which is nice, saves me a bit of time and energy. And I've currently also, I don't know if you can see, but in the very distance of the garden, you see that palette right there. I've just cleaned it and I'm gonna cut it to size. I don't think I've ever made anything from like we're using woodwork, but hopefully it'll be okay. I'm gonna try and like screw it to the wall and all that stuff. I just want to do it like all myself. I just chopped the end off and I'm so tired now. I used a hand saw. So yes, it was very, very tiring. The weather is so hot right now. Let's see what the temperature is. It's 27 degrees right now. Not okay. Next job is to cut these things so it's nice and even, and then I'm gonna sand it all. So I've got 3 of these to do. Okay, now I'm gonna switch to a smaller saw so I get a nice crisp end. Yeah! I'm so tired. Quick snack break. We've got a sausage sandwich made by Ginger.
Put your screws in.
Okay, now this is a moment of truth.
This is the moment of truth, yeah. This is the moment of truth. See if we've put them in far enough. Hang on, let me get over here. Moment of truth, moment of truth. Floating shelf. Hard to see, isn't it?
Oh, I need to take them out a bit, Mum. Not even in at all.
Alright, take them out a bit. So get your screwdriver.
I think we've got it sorted now. Jen's on the job. Do you want to put it up? You go on, you do it.
Oh no, it's
This is your moment to shine. It doesn't look very straight.
I don't shine very often.
Go, 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 Jen. Okay, okay, okay. Too far.
Oh no, we can't see without my glasses.
I'll go over here to see if it's straight. Oh man, careful, lady.
I think that was too far out now.
Oh god. So we just put it up and I'm honestly in love with how it looks. Just put all my little plants on it. It looks so cute. I've got my bullet journal and my current book I'm reading. I just love how it looks. It's quite high up, but we'll see when I put my bed there what it looks like. Just trying to get the barbecue going. I'm so chilled out right now. I've got the tent all set up and barbecue is ready to go. Got some food, got some logs here and barbecue, some cereal. So we got back from the beach. It was really nice, although not as hot as we'd like it. Talk us through it, Joe. What are you doing?
My legs are burning.